Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entry. I am Mirza Dusham Beg, your quant educator, and today is the examination day. Today is the second day of the examination. As we have seen that the previous day, the 12th of September, examination was conducted fairly and easily. And in fact, there was no such kind of strictness there because students were coming from far areas, so they need to be lenient, and they were. Okay, so what you can do is you'll have to just focus on the examination. In fact, the problem students are facing is not related to sanitizer or pandemic situation. It is related to computer interface. Okay, why they are facing the computer interface issue? Because it has become certainly a major issue for students, or you can say for aspirants. Why? Because for a particular state they have introduced two languages in the examination. Like we're talking about, if you're talking about Uttar Pradesh or Delhi, they have introduced two languages, Hindi and English, both in a single examination. So that means students are getting confused and they don't know what to do because they were keep scrolling all the things. So what you can do is just go there and check your mouse. All right, if your mouse is not working properly, then you will raise this issue with the invigilator. All right, and change that mouse. All right, because you have to be spot on and you have to be very clear about your examination ideas. Okay, so what you can do is just beware about these things. All right, because computer interface issue is a real issue where students are not getting used to it, and in fact their attempts are getting low. All right, so what you can do, you will have to use to it. In fact, IBPS has arranged a mock for you as well earlier, some days before the examination. They had sent you that you should go there and practice a mock so you can get used to it, but I believe most of the students haven't seen that, so there is an issue. All right, now what we can do is whichever language you have to choose, you will choose it, and what you can do is you will just have to look on that particular language. Okay, now let's move on and let's see what the analysis of the second day's paper. Here the first subject is quantitative aptitude, and as you know that 40 questions are there. Look at this, look at my analysis. DI, number series, quantity 1, quantity 2. Look at the surprise emission of quantity 1 and quantity 2 from today's exam. Yesterday they were asked on several times, on several occasions, but here it hasn't asked in all the 5 shifts. Approximation is here. In fact, a simplification pattern has introduced as well. So what you can do is you cannot predict any of the thing, but the general trend says that they are focusing on DI and arithmetic portion. So you have to be spot on. In fact, look at the first shift analysis. In the first shift, they have asked 15 questions. 2 set DI of tabular and Quizlet. So Quizlet is introduced in every shift of the examination. Look at this. Here the Quizlet, here the Quizlet, here Quizlet. All the 5 shifts had Quizlet DI. So your weak point is also a Quizlet DI. But here they have asked you about very easy Quizlet DI. So what you can do is you will calm your mind and start solving. They are focusing on DI. So for those whose examination will start from 19th of September, must be aware that they will focus on these two topics. If you have prepared these two topics efficiently, then your score will easily increases. Okay, all right, but the interface issue is real, so beware and used to it. All right, here they have introduced a wrong as well as missing both. Look at this. In the first session they have introduced wrong. In the fourth session and fifth session they have introduced. So majority of the session they have been with wrong number series. In fact, wrong number series was not as difficult as it used to be. So you cannot, but you cannot be lenient in this term. Now, as we know that approximation asked in several occasions, similarly, quadratic equation asked oftenly, okay, but in only one shift they have introduced simplification. So it might happen that from the next week they will start using simplification questions oftenly. So you cannot be complacent, and just remember that from the next weekend I have a doubt that their attempts will increase. Okay, your attempts will increase because the paper will be easier. Here we have seen some of the lengthy questions as well, but you don't have to worry about it. Those who have an organized method can solve any of the question within time. So the overall analysis says that the overall analysis here in the last, if they have asked double pie chart, okay, so overall analysis says that they are focusing on DI and arithmetic portion. And in fact, 30 of the question, 30 out of 40, that means 75% approximately, the 75% of questions are asked in asked with these two topics. So what you can do is you must practice on these two topics. If you have a good knowledge of DI and arithmetic portion, you can solve any of the paper. All right, so let's go ahead and see what the reasoning analysis is. Look at this, the reasoning analysis. Again, they are focusing on puzzle. The majority of the questions are asking from the puzzle. That means you have been left with several questions. Look at this. Here they have erased, or they had done emission of Chinese coding decoding. Okay, so now what you can do is, there is an issue that this is a trend. You should know that you're facing with interface issue. You're facing with what kind of say that you're facing with irrelevant questions. All right, irrelevant questions where you need to learn how to solve these kind of questions. Now what you can do is, as look at this, in the shift 1, shift 2, shift 3, shift 4, shift 5, all the shifts have majority of the questions belongs to puzzle and seating arrangement. And on several occasions they have asked blood relation. So blood relation is a continuous, syllogism is a continuous, and one more factor, miscellaneous questions are asked oftenly in today's examination. So what you can do is, and you should be aware of the number based questions as well, because on several occasions they had asked number based question. So my point is that in fact the puzzle was like let me give you some of the ideas. In third shift there was a puzzle based on box based puzzle. Okay, in the third shift they had asked a box based puzzle. Okay, box based puzzle, floor based puzzle. All right, all the kinds of puzzle they had asked, linear seating arrangement and circular seating arrangement. So these are the things where they had asked on the third shift. Now in the latest fifth shift they had asked floor based puzzle, scheduling based puzzle, okay, rectangular based puzzle. So these are the things you should know that. Okay, all right, just a minute. Yes, all right, in the first shift as well they had asked box based, floor based. So basically the trend says that box based, floor based, and what linear and seating arrangement, circular seating arrangement were there. So what you can do is you should practice on these things to get to overcome the situation. What I'm saying is that paper is not as lengthy, but they are hitting your weakest area. That's where you're lacking the number of attempts, because they have to generate a difference between PO level paper and clerical level paper. What you can do is you should practice more. All right, you should practice more, because the more your reasoning is good, the more your mental ability is good. You should know that. If you have a good reasoning, you can arrange or solve any of the question. All right, so that's it from my side. I hope you have understood the difference between yesterday's exam and today's exam. What I'm trying to say is that they are hitting you on the weakest link and they are trying all the possible things to delay your examination speed. All right, delay your attempt speed. So that means they are focusing only on your number of attempts and they are trying every possible things. Look at today's, look at the 2 days examination review. Your major problem was interface issue, okay, because the questions was not as difficult as you're thinking, but the thing is that they are putting you in the lengthy form of questions and you have to come out. All right, so here is my review. I hope you have liked it. I hope you have understood what I'm trying to say. Just learn from these 2 days, and when the and for those, and the lesson for those whose examination will come in the next week, must start preparing on these things, because the trend will not change unless one or two question will come in the new pattern, but the trend will not change. You should know that. Okay, so that's it from my side. I hope you enjoyed this session. Stay with entry, stay safe, and keep practicing. Best of luck.